Global business and trade have been integral part in developing human civilization. In order to remain competitive and lead entire industries on quality and profitability, it is crucial to focus on comparative advantage in producing goods at lowest opportunity cost. Industry giants such as Airbus import parts from all over the world to reduce cost while maintaining quality standards. All of it is possible by continuous improvement of global business and trade relations between countries. Global business has also many layers. Knowledge of local culture, language, or even cuisine are all equally important factors during trade negotiations. Therefore, in order to remain relevant in any business domain, superior competence in global business and trade will be of great importance for me as future manager. I rank myself as 6 on 1 to 10 scale in global business and trade competence. Now I'm going to talk about two business leaders, global business leaders. Larry Page is informative and innovative. He invented Google search engine. The company became the global success because its search engine has been the most reliable and accurate source of information. Currently, he works on creating autonomous vehicles and smart transport system. He is goal-oriented. From the age 12, he was inspired by Nikola Tesla, and he became obsessed with creating revolutionary technology that would become huge business success. He has solid communication and leadership skills. He listens to others' ideas. He was able to convince investors and his family to get funds to develop Google company. Moreover, he is an expert in recruiting, leading, and motivating his employees. He is a risk taker. He encourages risk takers and is critical of current education system that is risk averse, instead of encouraging risk takers and innovators. He believes in revolutionary changes instead of evolutionary changes when companies get comfortable in what they do, so they slightly improve or change but eventually become irrelevant. His performance. He's a moonshot thinker, very ambitious to tackle impossible things and not being afraid to fail. Larry Ellison. He's informative and innovative. He is a co-founder of Oracle Corporation. His projects were inspired by relational database systems. Larry envisioned the easy way it would allow for storing and quick retrieving data. He's goal-oriented. He had clear goals how to achieve his success. He networked with the right people from the tech industry. He often acquired startups to get the best engineers and to lay strong foundation for building Oracle System Corporation. He has solid communication and leadership skills. He is known for controlling situations and taking all actions without giving any thought of what the rest of his team will think about it. Yet, he said he believes his determination and often ruthless tactics are part of his success. Despite that controversial approach to leadership, he is very passionate about his work. He hires the best and he knows the industry very well, and it is his formula for success. He's a risk taker. He launched his database company despite IBM that was specialized in databases. However, IBM did not get into relational database, and Larry saw it as a unique opportunity to dominate the market. He believed his own vision, and he did not get discouraged from making mistakes on the way, but rather used them as his product to make his product even better. His performance. He's hungry to be on the top, not only making sure his product was the best, but also acquiring his competition to remain always on the top of the industry. My current skills. I'm informative and innovative. I have worked for a startup before. I'm planning to use that experience to create my own startup or to be a part of one in the nearest future. I'm goal-oriented. I have continuously been developing my software development financial skills by taking many online courses, learning new technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrency, and then building the applications from scratch. I have been participating in Great Oakland Startup Incubator events to network, learn, and to align with people who have audacious goals. Currently, I'm also a member of the investment club at Massey Campus, taking part in equity research and later on this year in CFA Institute research competition. I believe tech and finance is marriage made in heaven, and those two disciplines are very connected in forming and running new companies. Therefore, I need solid foundation in both to be able to move things forward. I have solid communication and leadership skills. I have developed my leadership skills while I manage teams of employees for one of the biggest ground transportation companies in the UK. I'm a risk taker. I believe in innovation, which is inherent with taking a lot of risk. Investing or building new technologies can be risky, or as not all will become feasible to achieve due to financial constraints or lack of demand. Even the most advanced engineering project can become fluff if the public rejects its user interface. My performance. I'm not afraid to make mistakes because I can only learn and improve my skills. I surround myself with more successful or talented individuals to learn and make progress towards self-improvement, raising the bar of my own standards and expectations. Now I'm going to talk about the skill gap between me and those two individuals. Informative and innovative. Creating a successful company that can go public and become successful. Goal-oriented, becoming heavily involved in research prior to creating a startup, as it was the case with Amazon and Google. Conducting meaningful research or data gathering will be crucial in creating the odds of the future success of a startup company, based on a current future demand or shortage of specific services. Solid communication and leadership skills, becoming more focused on recruiting and building motivated team of individuals that will become the catalyst of future company's success, dealing with adversities while building a company and motivating people to remain committed to their goals. A risk taker, developing new technology or services that will create new demand and become disruptive to current technology or technologies being used, creating value while changing people's habits on using new technology or services that will change the way people communicate or do business. Performance, to become comfortable, to go out of my own comfort zone and focus on delivering, creating impossible results, goals, or ideas as a way to foster innovation. Now I'm going to write the specific plan which I'm going to achieve within 5 years. I'll start the company with some of the contacts I have from Oakland Grid events. We will invest time and money on research that will be necessary to estimate future profitability and return on investment. Oakland Grid provides access to meet with angel investors who provide us with information on what other requirements our startup will have to deliver in order to take our product on board and obtain seed money. I will build a team of developers and people with financial background to start running the company. I will connect with the industry mentors and gain necessary knowledge and advice about all intricacies of running startup business. I'll be meeting and collaborating with software developers in financial department to make sure there are no bottlenecks or financial issues that may stall the progress of app development. I'll become successful at generating seed money from angel investors to invest in my product.